Well, I'm going to pick up a couple new parts for the box band. So I'm going to need one more of these clips because the clip is missing from there. Two more. I'm just figuring this out as I go along. This appears to be where the bulbs and sockets go through. Because he's got these little things here for tabs to go in and lock into place. And there's space right there for, that's where this goes. So you can still put the sockets in it. And they just clip in, it looks like. That's in. So these are just like the ones that are in the other locations on the grill here. So just like the clips that are right here, same thing goes down here. There we go. That was tough to get in there. that one actually goes into the back of the. Can you guys grab it right? No, lay down it. The bulb. Come up top. Come up top. Yeah. Pick it up. Put it in the back. Is it in? Yeah. All right. So now we're just picking it up. I didn't really show you. Okay, see how the lines went over here? This goes in there, this goes in this clip, this goes in this clip, this goes in here.
Which one goes in there?
That goes in this clip. Okay.
This goes in this piece?
Yeah, everything has a little bit. It's just that's what I'm trying to point out. So each piece has a. This goes in the hole there. This flange goes in this clip. This has a little hole there. There's a bolt that goes through here and goes into that hole. There's a clip there and the little plastic piece that goes in there, and it's all the way across like that.
It's too high right here though.
Yeah, I think it just goes under. So it's because it's just not sitting correctly. So then down here, the lower part won't come back for some reason. Okay. Then we've got clips here and pieces of plastic right there.
This piece right here?
Yeah. Yep. Okay, so like way over here, see? So this just has to get down in there.
It's too high.
Mine's in.
It's way high over here. Up here. It's kind of high over here. There we go. Don't worry about it.
Okay, bottom's in. I don't know how to lift this up. Seems like it needs to be lifted up to get that bolt in there. It's just a little bit off. Having to bend this a little bit to get this hole lined up. And presto! Just like that. The main thing is you just can't shy away from doing this kind of stuff yourself. You know what I mean? Because this would have cost $1,000 if we went to a body shop and had them put this on. And what it cost us is it was $156 for the grill. It's $450 online, and it was. No, it was $146. They dropped the price 10 bucks when I was in there. And then it was $40 for each side light. So that was a little more than I found online, but I wanted to get it somewhere where I could take them back easily. They didn't work.
Mm-hmm.